Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is day 16 of me learning English to an American accent. So if you're new here, let me tell you what I'm doing. So basically I'm doing a 6 months challenge as you can see here. And this is why I created this channel. So in these 6 months, I have to learn English to an American accent. This is my goal and this is why I created this channel. And as you can see, I've been making videos for like 2 weeks and it's day 16. Yesterday was day 15. So yeah, I'm really enjoying learning English because like the reason I'm learning English because I really want to learn English. This is the reason. I know it sounds like funny, but yeah. But I wanna tell you guys something. So if you're also learning English, I created a Discord server. If you guys watch me regularly, then you guys probably know that. But yeah, this is a Discord server where you can learn English. Like you can do a lot of things. You can like chat with each other, practice your English. You can make friends. Also, here's the crazy part. Like here in learning category, you can see like a lot of channels, tips and tricks, helpful videos. Like you can see like a lot of videos that might help you. Also, there's some resources. I didn't add anything, but also guys, if you like know anything that can might help others, you can just give the link or share it with us. And here are some tongue twisters, and you can ask for help here, like a lot of things. And you can talk with people here, like one on one. And here's like a small group for people, like for a person can talk to each other. And here's accent practice, grammar practice, and pronunciation practice. Like right now, like we're like 5 people, I guess, in the server, but hopefully the server will get bigger. But yeah, this is yeah. Also, you can read the about me and about the server as you can see if you want. So yeah, you can find that link in my channel here. You can just join from here. It's free. All you need is a Discord account. You don't need anything. As you can see, it's like completely free. You don't need nothing. So yeah, but today I'm here to like tell what I'll do tomorrow. So I've decided to do shadowing very like seriously because I'm seeing a lot of video that people are saying shadowing does work. So tomorrow I'll find a video and I'll repeat the video like after 10 times, like 10 20 times, one single video. So yeah, this is day 16. I know I didn't do like anything like I do usually, but let me tell you, like this is not like you can see like 15-minute video, 5-minute videos. I mean, like this is not only the time I learn English. I basically do a lot of things every single day, and I'll keep doing this until the next 6 months, hopefully. So yeah, and I'll upload video every single day. So if you have any friends or someone that want to learn English and also you're learning English too, you can subscribe to this channel. You can join the Discord server. But let me tell you, I'm not here for likes and subscribers. You can literally see the views. See 5 views, 8 views. I don't upload any thumbnails. I don't like put any efforts on my videos because like I only created this channel for like being consistent and being motivated. This is why I created this channel. So yeah, you guys probably know what I'm saying. So yeah, this is it. This is like day 16 and I'll see you guys tomorrow in day 17. See you all and take care.